सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Good morning, friends. I know you are very bored of COVID-19, but still you all are study at home. So today we are going to roam through the world heritage. Actually, there are 890 World Heritage Sites in the world according to 2009. But today I am going to show you the 100 different sites of World Heritage. So children, students, please enjoy it. Angkor Wat, Cambodia, you can see. Taj Mahal of India. Great Barrier Reef of Australia. These are World Heritage Site, children. Easter Island, Chile. Petra, Jordan. Machu Picchu, Peru. Old Havana, Cuba. Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. Old City of Jerusalem, Israel. Great Wall of China. Itsukushima Shinto Shrine, Japan. You can see the number, children. This is the number according to the World Heritage. Cinque Terre at Italy. 14. History Center of the City of Strasbourg, Australia. Works of Antoni Gaudi, Spain. Vatican City. Riala Monastery, Bulgaria. Giant's Causeway, UK, means United Kingdom. Abu Simbel, Egypt. Chichen Itza, Mexico. Cultural landscape of Bali, Indonesia. Leshan Giant Buddha of China. Yellowstone National Park, USA, United States of America. Cappadocia, Turkey. Galapagos Islands. Los National Park. Venice, Italy. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. Iguazú National Park, Brazil, Argentina. हम्पी, इंडिया, पुरातन आपला जो शहर आहे. बॅगॅन, म्यानमार. माउंट सेंट मायकल, फ्रान्स, चर्च आहे. सेरेंगेटी नॅशनल पार्क, टॅन्झानिया. अल हिजरा आर्किओलॉजिकल साइट, मॅडेन. परगमन, टर्की. रानी की वेव, इंडिया. ग्रैंड कैनॉन नेशनल पार्क, यूएसए. Dolomites, Italy. Sonbaran Palace and Gardens, Australia. Chesky Kamlov, Forbidden City, China. Uluru Kata Tudata National Park, Australia. Tikal National Park, Guatemala. Statue of Liberty, USA. Canadian Rocky Mountain Parks, Canada. Hierapolis, Pamukkale, Turkey. Bam, Iran. Ayutthaya Historical Park, Thailand. Historic Center, Rome, Italy. St Kilda, Scotland. La Grande Place, Belgium. Tongoria National, New Zealand. Scottera Archipelago, Yemen. Wollongong, China. Historic Center of Florence, Italy. Yosemite National Park, USA. Old City of Dubrovnik, Croatia. Timbuktu, Mali. Old Tower of Gadsmans, Libya. Carlsbad Caverns National Park, USA. China Danaxia, China. Old Valley City of Shibam, Yemen. Mostar, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Meteora, Greece. Dorset and East Devon Coast, UK. Historic Center of Bukhara, Uzbekistan. Belozia Forest, Poland, Belarus. Lud Desert, Iran. Mount Etna, Italy. Garangier Fort and Neroxo Fort. Agra Fort of India. Silk Roads, China. Delphi, Greece. Antigua, Guatemala. Auschwitz concentration camp, Poland. Kastel, Germany. Budapest, Hungary. Historical Center of Prague. St. Petersburg, Russia. Holy and Ancient Town, Vietnam. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Palace and Park of Versailles, France. Stonehenge, England. Historic Center of Tallinn, Estonia. Ancient Kyoto, Japan. Bergen, Norway. Mount Fuji, Japan. Historic Center of Bourges, Belgium, Kremlin and Rose Square, Moscow, Loire Valley, France, Erbil Cathedral, Iraq, Pantanal, Brazil, Scotland, Swiss Alps, Switzerland, Notre Dame, France, Sydney Opera House, Australia, Parambanan, Indonesia, Blue Mountains, Australia, Velta, Malta. So children, we had seen the 100 sites of World Heritage. First only I told you, according to 2009, total World Heritage are 890. So if you'll see, there are so many World Heritage. And now you can see this is a map of India. And we can see here Taj Mahal, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now you can open your book on page number 74, World Heritage. We are going to see first chit chat warming up activity. I can talk about the world. We had seen the world, children. And now we are going to see form groups of 6 to 8 students. Each group should select any one continent and share the following information about each. You have to select a continent. What is the meaning of continent, children? Continent means khanda. So we are staying in Asia continent. So now we are going to see about the information about, actually it is a group activity. If you had seen form groups to 6 to 8. But because of COVID-19, we are going to do the individual activity. I am going to explain you this activity. So we have to find out first of all important cities, sightseeing places of tourist interest, food specialty cuisine, wildlife, different types of region and vegetation, and human life. So we are going to start from important city. So we had chosen an Asia continent. So in Asia continent there are different types of countries are there. So important city from Asia continent is Karachi, Kolkata, Dhaka, Delhi, Dubai, Hyderabad, Tehran, Mumbai, Seoul, Shanghai, Belgium, Hong Kong, Bangkok, Jakarta and Tokyo. This is first one we had seen the important city. Now we are going to go to the next point, sightseeing places of tourist interest. So we have to see that in Asian continent which places we are going to see as a tourist. So we are going to see different. First of all, from we can talk about India is, our first is Taj Mahal. About Dubai we can say Burj Khalifa is very famous in Dubai. Angkor, Bali Islands, Victoria Park, Mount Everest and Disneyland in Tokyo. Because we had seen Japan is in Asian continent. So now the third point is food specialty cuisine. So children, we can think that according to the country we can eat different types of food. So food specialty is very important. Everybody like that. Really we are saying it is a thali in India, rice plate. And it is a very healthy and famous in India. Not only India, in the whole world. After that, Chinese, Punjabis, salad in Burma, because Burma is also in Asia. So Burma's salad is very, very famous, and chicken rice. Now we have to turn the next point is that wildlife. What we can see in wildlife, children? Asian elephant, giant panda, and Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger we can see in, where we can see in West Bengal or Bangladesh. Now the fifth point is different types of region and vegetation. Which type of region we can see over there? So coniferous forest, grassland, tropical day vegetation, desert region, palms and dates. Because I had already told you about that Dubai comes, Saudi Arabia comes in Asian continent. So in Dubai we can see there are different types of dates plants. We say khajur, you know, kharik. We are all getting in from Saudi Arabia. Now the next point is human life. So what we can see in India, if we are going to talk about the India, the mixture of culture. Because in India there are different types of religions are staying on the same platform. Several languages, different languages are spoken in the whole world. 3/4 of world's population is in India. So, Asia. Asia is the biggest continent. Trade means business, and human life, it is very, very important. Agriculture. So children, I think so you understand the warming up activity. Now we are going to see activity number 2. Prepare a travel voucher or a leaflet of your native place. Native means where you are staying. Or any town, historical place, ऐतिहासिक जागा, hill station, थंड हवेचे ठिकाण, or to attract tourists using points below. So how we are going to make a leaflet, children? For example, nearest railway station, you are staying in Mumbai. So CST is a closest and nearest railway station. Nearest airport, CST, Shri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminals. From we have to take the which airlines? Domestic airlines. Nearest bus stand. So you can give, if you want to go to Kolhapur, so you will take CST, railway station, nearest railway station, airport, domestic, nearest bus stand from Mumbai to Kolhapur. Top 5 spots to visit, where if you are going for Kolhapur, so what we are going to see over there first is Mahalakshmi temple. After that, Panhala fort, Rankala lake. I think so from so many you had already visited to where? To Kolhapur. Maharaja palace, Sri Shahu Maharaj Maharaja palace, and Shahu Maharaj museum. So we can see different things here. Special feature of this spot. Why we had chosen Kolhapur? Why and why it is important? So special features we have to give. Temple of Mahalakshmi, it is a holy seat of Amba Devi. Rankala, it is Rankala lake, it is famous for its beauty. There are different parks for pleasant and very attractive. Have fun and entertainment. So what you are going to write? Amusement park, Shahu Maharaj museum, and Gandhari Resort. So you can get enjoyment over here. And which type of food we are going to, special food from Kolhapur or a cuisine. So tasty non-veg, Pandra Rassa and Tamda Rassa, Kolhapuri misal and bhel, and very famous Mohak lassi we can get in Kolhapur. After that, other nearby sightseeing spot, what we are going to see, काय काय बघायला मिळणार आहे तिथे आपल्याला, कन्हेरी मठ, राधानगरी and wildlife sanctuary. So you have to fill this leaflet, children. That's why I had not written anything, I had explained you. So you have to fill this leaflet if you want to go anywhere, and address is given, happy journey, contacts, enjoy travels, and number, email ID is given. So if you want to go to any tourist place, so which things you are going to see over there, so you can make a leaflet. Now in third activity you can see World Heritage Site. Children, what you can understand which site it is? Anybody? Okay, you will guess very fast. What it is? It is from Maharashtra, in Satara, Kas Pathar of Maharashtra. After that, Lotus Temple from Delhi, Ajanta Caves, and you had already seen in 100 World Heritage Site. What it is? The Pyramid of Egypt, Giza. So you understood, all of you understood this? Now, we are going to start a lesson of World Heritage. What is World Heritage? A World Heritage Site is a site determined by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Children, this is the long form of UNESCO. UNESCO means what? United Nations. E for educational, S for scientific, and C for cultural organization, to have significant cultural or natural importance to humanity. It is very, very important that World Heritage Site, first only I told you that this UNESCO is trying to control the world heritage determined by United Nations. Significant, what is involved in it? Cultural and natural importance to humanity. Humanity means मानवता आपल्याला कल्चरल, सांस्कृतिक, नैसर्गिक वारसा आणि त्याचं महत्त्व, त्याला कसं जपायचं याच्यासाठी हे वाढवण्याचं काम युनेस्को करते. As such, the sites are protected and maintained by the International World Heritage Program, which is administered by the UNESCO World Heritage Committee. So children, they have a World Heritage Committee. UNESCO has arranged this. All the members, what they are doing, committee means what? Samiti. त्यांची एक समिती तयार केलेली आहे. As such, the sites are protected. Whatever the वारसा आपल्याला मिळालेला आहे, जागतिक वारसा जो आहे, याला जतन करण्याचं काम this World Heritage Committee is doing. Because World Heritage Sites are places that are significant culturally and naturally. They vary. Vary means, what is the meaning of vary? Different. वेगळे. Vary in type and include forests, lakes, monuments, building and site. So the one question arises in your mind that की ह्या वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज मध्ये कशा कशाचा समावेश होतो, which things are involved in it. So you can see children, it is significant culturally and naturally. सांस्कृतिक आणि नैसर्गिक. What include in forest, lakes, monuments, जंगले, सरोवरे, monuments, स्मारके. So we had seen that Taj Mahal is on the second number in the world. Buildings and cities. Some buildings We had seen in that picture, and cities also. Now you can see what is the meaning of heritage. That which is valued because of historical, natural, cultural importance. वारसा कशा पद्धतीने मिळालेला आहे? ऐतिहासिक, नैसर्गिक आणि सांस्कृतिक महत्त्व त्या साइटला मिळालेले आहे. World heritage sites can also be a combination of both cultural and natural areas. Combination, कशाचं combination आहे? Which combination we can see here? Cultural and natural areas. For example, Mount Hengshan in China is a site with significance to human culture because it played a role in historical Chinese art and literature. Mount Hengshan in China, it is a very important for human culture. We can see over there the human culture. It is played a historical role in Chinese art and literature. The mountain is also significant because of its physical landscape characteristics. Characteristic guna vaishishta. Distinguished features or qualities. What qualities in that? Because physical landscape, भौगोलिक प्राप्त झालेले, महत्व प्राप्त झालेले. History of World Heritage Site. What is the history? How it is created? Although the idea of protecting cultural and natural heritage site around the world, now I told you that UNESCO, you can see the building of UNESCO. Early 20th century, momentum for its actual creation was not until the 1950. Till 1950, there is nothing but this World Heritage Samiti had started its work. In 1954, Egypt started plans to build the Aswan High Dam to collect and control water from the Nile River. In 1954, Egypt had started. What? Aswan High Dam. Why they had? Because they have to control the water from the Nile River. The initial plan for the dam's construction would have flooded the valley containing the Abu Simbel temples and scores of ancient Egyptian artifacts. What is the meaning of artifacts, children? Now scores of, plenty of, asankhya. And artifacts, any objects made by a human being, मानवानी तयार केलेले. So there are so many symbol temples of in that असंख्य असे मानव तिथे temples होते. To protect the temples and artifacts, UNESCO launched an international campaign in 1959. So UNESCO had decided that we have to protect this site. It is very important. So they had started campaign Mohim Suru Karne. Campaign in 1959 that called for the dismantling and movement of the temples to higher ground. Dismantling, disassembling, pulling down. खेचणे. त्यांनी whatever the temples, symbol temples they had pulled very carefully because they are building a dam on Aswan High Dam. They have to build on to control the water of Nile River. So the dismantling and movement of the temples to a higher ground. The project cost as estimated. What is the meaning of estimated? Andaze. US American dollar 80 million and dollar 40 million, which came from the 50 different countries. Means all the different 50 countries had given dollars for this work. Because of the project success, UNESCO and the International Council of Monuments and Sites initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. Children, it is because it is a very difficult task. भरपूर कठीण असं काम होतं, पैसाही खूप लागणार होता. सो दॅट्स वाय द अदर कंट्रीज ऑल्सो हेल्प टू युनेस्को टू protect this site because it is a heritage. So they had given the contribution for this project. So children, till now we had seen here, and I think so you had understood this lesson and you had enjoyed the World Heritage side also. So the remaining part we are going to see in a next period. Okay, thank you.